Yo, good morning. Juma Mubarak, fellow Gambians. My regards to everyone. This is just going to be maybe less than 10 minutes. But inshallah, after the Juma prayer, I will come and then have some detailed discussions with Gambians concerning about the ongoing issues in that country, the country we call Mama Land. We all know we love Gambia, we cherish Gambia, and we always celebrate Gambia, especially when we hear from other people that Gambia is the smiling coast of Africa. But as to now, we all know Gambia is no more the smiling coast, has turned to be a crying coast of Africa. And yes, the only thing why I came just right now, as you can see me, I am in my sport gears, just about to go and take my morning routine running. Yes, I wanted to go and do that as soon as possible. But the issue here is that many people are asking what Barrow is going to do if Barrow is ready to fight corruption, what he is going to do about the about the findings of the Russian oil mafia oil scandal that the National Assembly has done their own quarters and then made recommendations. So people are asking what Barrow is going to do. You see, Gambians, I don't understand. If people do not understand what kind of president we have, if the president himself doesn't understand himself, we the Gambians supposed to know what kind of person we have at the #1 Marina Parade. We're supposed to know, because all what Barrow is telling Gambians, the bottom line is, do Barrow have the interest of that country? Ask yourself. Let the supporters come with pictures, with big words, with any of the things that Barrow have said. You make your own analysis. Think about this. Do this man have the interest of the country? I will give you a very small example. Barrow went to his national bureau, or his bureau that he opened in Bundu. And then what did he say? He said they should work very hard so that NPP could survive. If you know that they put you to a position and you cannot deliver, it's better you leave. And he is not compromising with anybody who doesn't compromise to the day-to-day affairs of NPP. He's going to sack you. So he sacked Keba Madiboja. He sacked other people, Lamin Toure and all other people, because he said they were not delivering for NPP. But how many people did Barrow sack when these people are not delivering for the central government? None. Because he have no interest on that. The only interest he have, he want to enjoy the fat salary. He want to enjoy the incentives. He want to enjoy the luxury life he is living. He want to enjoy the taxpayers' money. But do Barrow have the interest of the Gambians? No, and a big one, no. So, now, this oil scandal that we are talking about, two high-profile people are mentioned. Let us look at the connection now. The two ministers. I cannot say that Abdoulaye Diop is a friend to Barrow, but Abdoulaye Diop is in the government simply because of the APRC. Barrow took Ablaye Sanyang from Inspector General. He made Ablaye Sanyang as the IG, as the Minister of Interior. And allegedly, although I do not believe in all what that person says, but this is allegation. This is why I said allegedly. By Sankare just said, the NPP vehicle, the #1 and #2, By Sankare said this was given to Barrow by Abdoulaye Sanyang when he was Inspector General of Police. How much does that vehicle cost? So, and we all heard that during the preliminary investigation, allegedly the First Lady's name has been mentioned. But in this report, did you hear about the name of the First Lady? But the preliminary report, her name was mentioned. So when people are asking, Barobe munekela nyinkoto, mbajela le ni baro neata ko akamimfo akaka corruption ole fight. Look, how many audit reports ole nadajan? Gambia no buna nantelu nka nyina very easily. How many audit reports ole fintita jang? Audit reports are documents that are authenticated. They are very, very authenticated. Very, very authenticated. I muneke woldo. Nothing fatata lo ako sungule ko al sunya roke. Ntelom president mbaitan lelal ko audit report is just a trust audit all fangol mu opposition on leti audit report mu mere opinion leti. This is what he said. Gambian are sitting down. Hey, yalonga president min soto. President oni aka munyale aka tolerance soto. Muna nate tolerance soto la. Ali alo na be min enjoy kan the privilege abe min enjoy kan. Alo na ko na man tolerance soto rek people will kick him out there. Ayo lonne. Molba kick la democratically nga fintindi wo office okono. So he want to enjoy that privilege by throwing hot chili into the eye of Gambians. Gambian ol ke fan nene na haftan badu nana da si a fon sindi almamol nyato a fon sindi dinatiol nyato. He will humble himself obviously. Foninta be fenyini nete bulun tem fa humble ndila. Will you see arrogancy in me? You will not see arrogancy in me. Fali America president, he is the one enjoying. Ateleba enjoy come. Ateleba enjoy come. Over $500,000 every month. Ala jubenga baro bondi life riffraff life min kono. Today he is the high class person in that country. Alkana fo moleko baro e Gambia sotole at heart. I mune soto Gambia at heart. Alanga kill him for drone. Look, ajube sign. Ngamire ikabota sila doku wala. Ngamire ka o silo le bondi. Aka siso lipa silo mila kana albanko alfa dolu neng. Ka fo ko biringa nyim fa fo ko nta kenola. Bari nga santo nga eta silo le dada afelenti mola coral baby float la. Silo they are washing out because of the kickback. Honey bee. In fact, I wrote to somebody. Nga message okiai. Nga go ni tata coffee time. Dukara ala for Ibrahim Silaye, ala challenge, ala fa ko lafta the audit report of this OIC road, Anini road construction or audit report. Allah Gambia no lafta wala jala. They would never bring that out because Niko Silo, Ibrahim Silla Sida, Jellefo, Ako OIC Silo, kilometer killing Kajada Jello. Over $1 million plus, $1 million plus a kilometer. Alin silo jube be nyami burufudu ngol jalba ko yare tada we den kilo la wolle wala na nga safe jalba ko yare ngay muruko yeta e den kilo do fanal leye because silo juba be nyami so nal ka sial ka fuko barobo mino kelanin yoro jallo mi muyla MDT fo barole ma han pika akije andi ko he's a friend to baro ala remember baro lungo minna tata that petroleum atata visit laje atata visiting laje lumina kata visiting na wo petroleum mobe ya lonko atata minaje it is about atela personal interest amanta Gambia interest ola je alnyabe mo greedy rimbale la mi number 1 marina pare mara mo greedy rimba yalon Gambia ngol alnga sirek mbeba folako barowol ibe kol be legalize kan ka kol ke luati mi yalon ko pour que te la crucial cover imagine ko hani mi ya neng nendro mambeta mo manyan kan mo neng you don't have right to insult anybody in the discourse no without insulting bari imagine lua sambana iko musudole bije minko baro is a motherfucker kiti ole afode yalo it's not my word ngawole moy news to ikako baro is a motherfucker so ebe musonyin samba kan kitiola ali alo ne muna ne nyi lua samana imaja yetelle cover député olu ministre lu government dogulalu anim baro anala family because they don't ilafta mol silandi la le fam pour ye dia muy la kola so that they do what they want Yalong Gambia beba follow ko imagine ila draft constitution of failed. I'm fail follow it. You know what they're going to do? Kujamal le bije ibinao bilol ibe murundi la National Assembly le pour 1997 ye falindirol kije minuli yalong ko manke entrench clause olti pour que la ñin dundi jo wol dol be la simple majority leti wol be la simple majority leti alin tel nga sidron nga fon faye ko ha ala la keje o kebu cham nyama to ni wobe diamo yalong kebu cham wo ma fangole fangolong wala mo wala problème wot ite ko baro mu kafiro le baro ku nyanta ka kuntule momin nata ni kafir ya silola sa ite ka wo wasip fo kata no kan jana e kana fo mole ko kote ko ni momo ko be o male te fana mu kafiro le ke bu cham what is akamune diamu o mo nonsense sifalu mo kata ko ke lamoy wolle le ka sali wol koma you know ni mole ya fo ko molbe bula ke bu cham dindi merento ay ta mole nyamo kono jana he's just messing up with the Gambian people I put it la personal interest oka ngamre ko karamu le ba wala la karamu atel ta mala karamu dat la soto nyami aman karamu fana lo pour ka foka ba ke la free leti ala karamu na decide ko molba jola le min sa jono yetaje wo muyte mari la hajode but who want kebu cham fa o kete la mentote pour kete dingo fa o karandi momi yalon ka da bu ka tonya fa fo ibe mol la banko mol be confusion la foy ma lon ko constitution lo bente la ni lafta wala ta ide baro samba Saudi Arabia ay ta lo jaay ta ke kinti woto ya mol dahandi la ñun nonsense diamol e kamunta ko itel ni ali ya remember le bunjan nene ñu fa ko étudiant be bolana dulal to binal i balla dina ko be dunal bulu ñokono image so al kanyo ñininka baro amanta fokol kala ñinto nothing absolutely fale amena ko itel man domoro ke ñinto fale amre man domoro ke ñinto ñi lealo min bebe kere ñi oil scandal ko image bira aji ko draft constitution o ila baro draft constitution o fighter ñindo fighter rek akombatu mbe kule natla na ngela mind concentrate ndi woka pam IEC chairman appoint Jokoli because I found halonko na Jokoli samana ndo chochole be kuma Jokoli manke the choice of Barod I mean Sambana as the deputy wala muila choice Jokoli mi yalonka abuka son gambianol dankula abuka son na sila mida to kadiam gambianol la jututa gambianol la fo mo be nyamaja bar ni mol kombe nyim fola Jokoli la friendsol Jokoli badingol se findi ha oppositional haina odon telte oppositional fasa nola because oppositional can tell la mole silandi moma Jokoli silandi jande but he is not a clean person moma silandi ja woma la business la di be dali opposition fasa alma opposition fasa lafta min na nalbe banko bon nkombe min kono mbele ba kono Jokoli is not somebody alkana Jokoli samba jahannaba because munom abita fanyale folate tonya tamandila that's the only thing that's the bottom line mol ka diamu wala ni mol be tonya fola banko la ko dal nga family lineage bondije mbela family be mansa kundale but this government is corrupt they are seriously very corrupt people so anna ni mol kasi ka nyoni ni kawala mbega si nga jube barobe munekela nyinula abe munekele fokola ta kele fa amira jalo singbe lorim foranga ibe domoro ke nyindula tole fale amre nyindula mudula cyane imam molje ni dol nata woli la broda sol kumani ne ye bitangolo dundije petroleum mu domor dulaleti albe kan najira fi mo jube jan ni mimbe boss la baka aka munefo ndebe do ko oil industry le because ko dole beje ate fokol kela nyinto so gambianol we have to know what to do until the next step be kala munati wolom ika mimbe foko ha mbe baro bon la carte fayol la fenke da dunda abe nafiki ya baro manyanna lola for tatam amantan na constitution auto de but we shouldn't allow it manyana ka allow ay modo londi woye lo ala patio to yala bar baro kay manyana kalo Gambian should take this bold decision and then because baro be na banko be le tinyaka ate fewo fenne kala nyi oil scandal auto nothing absolutely fente kala nyi nulla Ablay Sanyang to ku fota jang allegation jelle lata kanjang al fenke jamme mimbe Sweden ala nene programme jamal le kejam ngo hani nyin Usenu Bojanna issue fale amra ala jubere kolman seneano munana Ablay Sanyang mante dangu atolom no IGT no he was the IGP that time munana mante dangu nalka si alka fugo side no balo na whether Barrow is ready to fight for corruption ko gambero wala na Barrow betula nyakula kan jolale Barrow bala hajo to bodo kan de wo bala hajo to bodo kan alka min na ko koto Ismaila Ceesay we credibility jumale soto Ismaila Ceesay le bota lola jang Peter Gomez found ka fo Peter go UDP they don't talk about the local council corruption or mimbi commission of bala findings local council jumale indict for corruption Senap Martin Wollom mi yalon ko Barole bunda police ol ta ko ta bunda kati way dum officer iman talib mutajam fonko la corruption la iman yankuba dawo mutajam corruption iman landi mutajam corruption iman fode danjo mutajam corruption iman malamin ay boja mutajam corruption la mil be kake government ne wol sije jang hawol lomu ani mi yala dimbaya be taka be dundi Brikama area council jeng wala be corruption ol keka yeta KMC Senap Martin anala gamon so say ni major scandalo keta bari ate hanila e diamu wala because a lonno kala keba da be jele because ala keba la muso da fota preliminary report o kono le nu investigation o nyi kono police keba le bele da be jeko ngamre be paali jawra to fo kanjele e kata tata jela be ke fania fo dai faniale fo galie muna ne mamuta ya charge for perjury a senior police officer itakatalo investigation or you mislead the investigation will not realize ko ka faniale foy they should have charged him and then bring him to court for perjury but all be manke so ndel kam fam baran albaro la ko nyinin kaje whether Barrow is credible or not credible ni momo fam ka nyinin ka Barrow la credible tetati wallahi ndese mo nyinin ka wala ko Barrow credible ta fam credible nko ni Barrow e fem fa ka dunte la janna e findi jang nka alla mo le rek for the sake of nyanta muna jabila la kuoto barabe fem fo la dunia kono nte musa malala nte musa malala kula ndata la kuto ni aje fam ka Barrow la kuo fam because I'm mararin na bankol ni wonte I have no time to discuss about that riffraff man call himself ko na ke si so kon telon bankol president telon fonko ite mo president o ma responsibility ta so alin kana nyo batandi nkana ni nyo batandi Barrow la kuola nkana nyo batandala civil society organization ol bijele ye finti ba ye demonstration ol organize muni ya lonko molbe finti la ka gambe man sakunda expose la corruption ola ajube fam mimbe keri imagine Ablaye Sanya ya itandala ko look ndenga crime mimbe commit corruption o ngam mimbeke ninko nga safe wolo nyinti ko mbe ma ko la nga luntangol be register nyin sobri jono kono so ni election o kanasi foy binala la fiscali ya fayban foy balon na le jokoli wol be wol inculcate no la nyamin ke janjam mo len na carte fonkol kono molbe diam solo la selbe kunta yal sambal ni so nyin kusi falle be kering wo bankoga I felenti be mol register muna ne manta Senegal ale nyoni nin kawala muna tine manta isa unda Senegal le tata murtane ibora murtane sai ko Congo Angola Congo Gabon anin Togo mafo Gambian tewro Gambian jelle be woto Gambian ol famo be Gambia wolma ID card o soto hebar Gambia dala tan tellale nyilbe si mbebe sirin opposition olu yes UDP will be la quotas ke kanne will ba fight kanne they want to know they really want to know what is happening and UDP de danna wala UDP be findilale yela balambaya itandi Gambia bela ko mimbe keringa manyankake wo director useless no ko ntani wo be tata cost kilingolale ñing mbub mimbe ji woni yaaje camera muso wote fenne fangoti wo ba macro ma bo min ke hesal lefa ngam mbub lon amanke chahanoti de mbub huley mi mala deputy di ni be trainers of trainers course trainers of accessory course ni tele bele yake ntelu all sectors different sectors in Gambia bring NIA bring police bring immigration and all other sectors of securities so I know him very well o mo kalanta mi yalon ko fanga bu kala be mbu wote fendi ali amra mbu be nyima sakunda challenge la mbu te nyima sakunda challenge la ko so ningal gasin ka on ka fonko ke ngam ngaaje fana molbe mo kuntandole fintitana ko ha gambiankol ka foko ha ye Africa leaders will invite White House Gambia mantaraje ako Gambia ni Gambia mantaje. What is the big deal? Look, whether you like it or not, America must take holders leti and America is important, although Donald Trump is not somebody credible, but for the interest of our country, hani sa American interest be Gambia le, bari man Gambia muta fendi. America la NASA base be Gambia le, Gambia airport oto. Bari kamune Gambia kamune soto oto. Nothing, absolutely. Nothing, absolutely. So we have to be thinking, look, Gambia is not an island. Adama Barrow mantara President Yala Purka Gambia advancing dino. Adama Barrow natale kafang enrich anala surrounding. And they are doing that very well. Ni Justice Ministry found, Justice Department found, kodoka sunyaje minkata for over $14 million. Ministry Jumale Bejang ni alongo sunyaro bukakeji. Ahmed Bama wuri nja kona natale kabe fenke Swansea Dabo Sambala Kiti olale because of where ate allegedly kafuko atele ya jamela ni solsa. In fact, I don't like to say ya jamela ni sol because ya be obu kela muntoldo abe bondi Gambian call court. Gambian call la fengo. You know? So we be mbeka simba fola nyoy ko ha inte la banko kan be fenke kan wala ne be nene kay kamune nkana silol ni courant le dila because momin nene man hani karasina lampoje karasina lampo momin nene maji yeda ye courant julo samba waya donc courant na malata je bi ba ñune bu ka courant soto no satisfy sako e ko ka samba o dulal mil mo ma fu koy mañana courant soto dula mañana taraje bi mi man courant ni jio soto parite man mejo fonko fango be damin wolman satisfy no e koy ka mol nene ñi al ngam fan nene hani modol fango be tubab du jam billahi kamune fu ayalon telia courant ne jawra man courant sambaje nko alta ñinin karo ke bang Europe fana during ila near Europe jube the past 20 years 30 years 40 years it can advance nyami. There are some facilities dula dolma wol soto non so sign nom wol fanal be wol soto ka ye so pin central soto e fembal soto fonkol soto wala na Europe kaje moka wulu ni city to ala niare city anene fa ma singoloji anene ma singoloji so mol be ñoo batand la jang barobe mu nekela ñindu ko ngamira preliminary report ya ala muso to fo je ali o toje ni report total fo muso ta testify ya ndema fo de preliminary report ya muso ñin to fo no nge mbe nga mo janne kibarol to no alin kana ñoo batandi o useless robe siri mole state house jana damanke domoro da ba yella je ka haftan baldun kamul nonsense of mole dula beto mol kat sika o ke mo credible ka fuko mba jela la fosa corruption o fight la mo corruption robe siri wo be corruption la fight abe jumala indict no la about corruption well but nga danjang fo ñaar you know Amad Ba fana bal nene ka wala al nene wala je o ekolo jolle o fana mu ko do mo dula dole de ñim bungol mi ko kana wolle lo o fana mu ko do mo dula dole de ekolo jolle ko Amad Ba o billahi wallahi Gambia la diat ani wala baraka te badon te ngata borola kali na sama ko de ngata borola ay jang e lafta ñine la de yale ka munefo ni batate be fonyola le imaje dolbe discourage ka andu mo jamale kan de kumane boy ko defa on tebul da fam fonyola diamola because boy gambianol ma ko yo mandia fenkede gambianol ma ko yo mandia de because munom mankuninne ntel ka mira ko kanyo kam fandi nkanyo hadani ya tara itibe min hadani kan wole ala e wole famala ko officialité de demande o sitano loptano to ya ay jaral kendo so afuta nyaawo nya hani ya tara be dala sole bondila asitano maybe namantano restaurant o asitano boga king ay boga killing sang 1 euro you know McDonald's ay boga killing sang 1 euro or you know ay ta ya dum wala chips da masang ite buka hani ice galaso sanno ikoyete kawole nyaawal just because of somebody is there mimbe sikan altel be ngokam you don't even know mune atin non de ka carte o fay imalo parite ko mbadunga ñoo nyaawal dron ni parite ko eta den kilo la comme wo nyaako manja wol sifal ni yaaje kamita kimpansi bari ko ka den kilo la ka baro promote ka banku de wol nyaawal just because of they will give them a chicken chain denki lala nyanta lola toñale ka ye toña fo banko la kuoto alka jame kan misidan jumale moya be la prime minister press la they question them barantelia ya fenge muna baba donde ya wala ko fenge juma jallo dima fama Mamadou Baro dima alaye fenge kiribu karabu alayo be kaya man a fangola bungo kono jannim ba kala president di fana ton katiri mo bije dabol bala bungo kono akela paja sole kan ala bungo be marakino fo biringa ke president ay bunjambal lo alkana fo mole ko fenge duate fen gambian ko la duale ba no gal ka gambian ko is cheating Gambians is cheating Gambians antara ngawo fojero mole nyininka modol le nyininke ko hay ko bakso jete ko UDP ko la nyin fonko National Assembly UDP ko la nyin draft constitution o reject iko ako wol mambam ko kanu yalo altel milka bakso jete la kumo fonye nde de bakso jabila mbal telle jabila ni nal tel man kendea nte be kendea yes bakso jete ndefana ngana si nkonka audio le dada wala nka si nka video leke nkonka bakso jete la ko diamu wakami mfo banko la kuoto to nya billahi ndingul fama ben sindila le yenjube yenjele ko mfama sa man kendea honestly bakso jete mune kawo diamundi you know nte I would never tell him ala condition ama wo sam ala le wakala mo nene kana wo use akan mo kana wo fire because nobody knows your ending barje ndengana si nkonde ka bakso jete ndebe wala jabila because wala diamta UDP la photo here honey I have responsibility wala te ne maji muna hani MPP la molu alkam moy lembe la molu jabi la ba ndeka barole jabi alfanaro bakso jete ni woyo kelom ngali ko bakso kaminke kabaro expose because bakso will not a revenge level the way they are doing it atujete mari level how you use your brain and understand fama lo jaba folo ko baro minke ya jame fama oke o mu report roleti alko ya corruptal baro fele ndabe biro loka baro moto di mo bir baro ako ko in all thanks to baro nyanda baro tanglan because baro ka kodo tikale kadi region na pour la campagne round so wolbe mu report roleti aka baro le expose alteli amira ba ma ko kan mo de baro ma ko kan de aba expose kan alma understand because they want to revenge barbaro ya mutala kala mollo ngam fawda handi ngal tentu ngal jey debita ngata bori to wadi jande bita jumoto atel baro nyin isansu nyin tuluko alte fem moela je ale amere fawol ma dom ya be kawol kono ya ñing million se fengi alka baro alka mira ko baro man fem ma auto campagnol man sponsor ko di bal man dila pour campagnol baro nene wo motol mil be bondinu poro moto santa nyami momalo moto soto ta nyami momalo moto findi ta nyami momalo mo be ke famo fenken ngata do algata nin tel mam fangol tube betulan kama salaten ala baraka ba al tuntu